Hi friends, this is Dr. Rohan Virani. So every day people are asking what could be the charge of root canal treatment, or what is the charge of filling, what is the charge for the denture. So I thought I will discuss with you the charges of dental treatment in India. And these are not some, randomly I have picked up any charge from my clinic or my friend's clinic. Yes friends, I am sharing with you the official dental charges given by the Indian Dental Association. Now, what is this Indian Dental Association? Now, this Indian Dental Association is the largest association in India of the dentists. And time and again, it gives various guidelines how to charge the patient, which courses you should attend. They conduct various courses, they are carrying out various patient education programs. Even for the dentists, they are doing a lot of work. And over a period of time, they keep updating, upgrading the charge list, revise the charge list. So today I will share with you the dental charges for various dental treatments given by the Indian Dental Association in India. Yes, let me tell you friends that the charges have gone to some extent up by, before I come to the exact charges, the charges have gone up by 15% or so, primarily because of this COVID infection. Now what has happened is, in this COVID infection, the guidelines have been changed by the Indian Dental Association and the Dental Council of India, and all dentists are expected to follow these guidelines. Obviously, following these guidelines is good in a way because the doctor will be wearing the protective gears and following a lot of various sterilization protocols which will be for your safety. So in a way these guidelines are very good, but the drawback to some extent which we have to accept in some way is the charges have to go up by 10 to 15% overall. So friends, this is like good in a way, bad in a way, but there is no way, we have to accept it. Yes. So as you are seeing, these charges are given by, you can see the letterhead, it is given by Indian Dental Association, and you can see the name of President Dr. Tushar Makhwana, okay, and all the immediate past president, vice president, everything, all the doctor names are written here. And these are, I'm sharing with you, effect from March 2020. So this charges are effective from March 2000. So as you see on my screen, the charge of consultation, if you see, it is written here, charge of consultation is 500 rupees. Specialist consultation, that what is the specialist is basically there are doctors who specialize in braces treatment or gum surgery or root canal. So specialist, if you're taking a specialist MDS consultation, it will be 800 rupees. OPG X-ray, it's like a full mouth X-ray, is 800 rupees. IOPA or a single tooth or a smaller X-ray is 400 rupees. RCT, anterior, means a root canal treatment, RCT. Anterior is 5,000 rupees per tooth. For the back tooth, it is 6,000 rupees. Re-root canal, repeat root canal is 8,000 rupees. Silver amalgam fillings, they are almost outdated, but if someone is doing it, these are 1,500 rupees per tooth. LC or composite or tooth color fillings are 2,500 per tooth. And you can see glass ionomer cement is 2,000 per tooth. PFM, porcelain fused to metal crown, is 5,000 rupees per tooth. Metal crown is 3,000 rupees per tooth. Zirconia is a very unique crown. There is no metal inside. One of the best materials available for a tooth cap is 12,000. All this charges which I'm telling you are for tooth. So zirconia is 12,000 per tooth. Tooth extraction, simple, is 1,000 rupees per tooth. Surgical extraction, slightly difficult, complicated extraction, is 4,000 per tooth. Impacted tooth, or the wisdom tooth which is locked in the bone, it is 7,000 per tooth. Scaling and polishing, teeth cleaning is 3,000 rupees. Deep cleaning, people who are having the pyorrhea, the gum infection, it is 7,000 rupees. Periodontal flap surgeries, these surgeries which are done to clean the gums, to take care of dental pockets, bleeding issues, it is 8,000 for segment. Now what is the segment? Basically, our jaw is divided into total 4 segments: the upper right, the upper left, lower right, and the lower left. So each segment is 8,000 rupees. So if you have to do a full mouth gum periodontal flap surgery, it will be roughly 32,000 rupees. Now all these charges are the minimal charges. I mean, obviously depending on the doctor the things may change. The bone grafting will be 1500 per tooth. Braces treatment, fixed orthodontics is 50,000. Clear aligners is 1,85,000 rupees. Lingual braces is 1 lakh. The braces which are put from inside. The complete denture charges are 18,000 rupees. Partial denture charges is 3,000 rupees. Plus every other tooth you add, it is 800 rupees more. Dental implant is 30,000 rupees. Episectomy is 8,000. Fracture surgeries will cost you anywhere between 20 to 45,000 surgeries. Removal of some cysts and tumors will cost around 15,000 rupees. Post and core 4,000 rupees. Biopsies will cost between 2,000 to 5,000 rupees. Veneers will cost you 12,000 rupees. Pulpectomy, which is similar to root canal in adults, this is done for the kids, is 6,000 per tooth. Bleaching is 10,000 per tooth. Sinus lift direct is 50,000 per sinus, and indirect is 12,000 rupees per tooth. So these are the revised charges for various dental procedures. I thought I should share with you, my friends. Obviously, if you are not sure what kind of work you need, whether you require a dental bridge or an implant, I will give you the link. You can see my video. Or if you want to know what kind of braces are good for you, metal braces, ceramic, lingual, then I will share one more link with you. You can see that video, which will help you decide what is the right treatment for you. If any one of you wants to know about the dental implant procedure, then I will give you a link with my video. You can see what the implant procedure is, how nowadays we are restoring the teeth in 3 days time without any cut or major surgeries. So friends, I think this video summarizes almost all the dental treatment charges across India given by the Indian Dental Association. Obviously these are the minimum charges, and depending upon the doctor profiles, his status, his equipments, the location, the charges may go up a bit, but these are the minimum charges you are expected to bear by the Indian Dental Association, as I have put up right now. Thank you.